So, how to sing Sri Dāmodarāṣṭaka correctly? There are three predominant tunes or melodies, or rather two melodies and two different talas that are commonly used. And this is the one that I consider the best for singing Dāmodarāṣṭaka in a correct way, from the Sanskrit perspective again. So it goes like this. It's two tal. Namami Shvarang Satchidanandarupam Lasat Kundalango Kule Bhrajamanam Yashodabhiyolu Khaladhavamanam Paramrishtamatyantato Drutya Gopya. That's the best because it replicates the structure of the Sanskrit verse. Every verse in Dāmodarāṣṭaka has 12 syllables per line, and they are divided into 4 groups, 3 beats each. So it goes ta-tan tan 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 Namami Shvarang Satchidanandarupam Lasat Kundalango Kule Bhrajamanam. This meter is called Bhujanga Prayata, means departure of a snake. So anyway, meters in Sanskrit have very, very interesting and intriguing names. So, and therefore you could hear that this meter was really represented very well by the tala that I chose. Ta-tan, tan, ta-tan, tan. Now there is another very popular melody, even more popular than the one I sang now, which is Namami Shvaram Satchidanandarupam Lasat Kundalam Gokule Bhrajamanam. Now this melody represents the Sanskrit structure of the verse quite well in the first part. Namami Shvarang Satchidanandarupam. But the second part of the melody, it kind of fails from the Sanskrit perspective. So it goes Lasat Kundalam Gokule Bhrajamanam. So it's Bhrajamanam ta-ta-tan tan, whereas the actual Sanskrit word is Bhrajamanam tan ta-tan tan. It's not Bhrajamanam, it's Bhrajamanam. So, and therefore you can still adjust it slightly, this melody, if you want to sing Sanskrit faithfully. So that would be like this. Namami Shvarang Satchidanandarupam Lasat Kundalango Kule Bhrajamanam Yashodabhiyolu Khaladhavamanam. Again, not dhavamanam, it's dhavamanam. Tan ta tan tan instead of ta ta tan tan, like that. And then Paramrishtamatyantato Drutya Gopya. So if you are ready to go for this adjustment, that is also fine. And there is another tala, Kaharva tala. So often karatalas goes like this. And it is sung on the tune that I initially showed you. Namami Shvaram Satchidanandarupam Lasat Kundalango Kule Bhrajamanam. So this is also fine. It is more tricky to arrange the syllables of this particular prayer on this tala, on Kaharva tala, but it is possible, and in general it's done well for 80-90%, so you can sing it like that as well. Yashodabhiyolu Khalad Dhavamanam Paramrishtamatyantato Drutya Gopya, and so on. And every verse is very symmetrical, so you can apply the same logic on all 8 verses. So let's summarize the 3 ways that I have suggested. So the first way is like this: two tal and the melody. Namami Shvarang Satchidanandarupam Lasat kundalango kule bhrajamanam. Always remember the structure. Ta-tan-tan, 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 like that. Second way is to take the same melody and sing it with Kaharvatala. Ta-tan-tan, 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 paramrishtamatyantato drutya gopya. Namamishwaram Satchidanandarupam Lasat kundalango kule bhrajamanam. Okay, and the third way is to take another famous tune and sing it with slight adjustment. And let me show you again in summary. 1, 2. Namamishwaram Chidanandarupam Lasat kundalango kule bhrajamanam Yashoda bhiyolu kaladhavamanam Paramrishtamatyantato drutya gopya. So this is for the Dāmodarāṣṭaka. Choose your tala, but if this is your purpose to represent the Sanskrit lines correctly, these are the suggestions that I can give you here. So, okay, Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Damodara.